The clip-in system has been developed and patented by GLASSOLUTIONS for butt-jointed, dry-glazed partitioning. The system consists of frame sections for the perimeter, with grooved glass panes joined by a specially designed silicone coupler. Before beginning the installation, insert anti-vibration material underneath the frame sections and insert the EPDM gaskets into the sections. Check the levels and the squareness of the opening. When installing the frame sections, ensure that they are flat and level. Insert the silicone coupler into the groove on the first pane of glass. This coupler has an asymmetrical shape, so it is important to insert the correct side into the first pane of glass to allow the second pane to be installed correctly. A special tool can be used to aid insertion of the silicone coupler. Shims are then placed in the frame sections to help position the glass. The glass can now be fitted into place. It can be lifted using handheld suction cups or, for larger panes, with mechanical lifting devices. The glass is positioned carefully into the frame sections. Temporary shims are inserted to hold the glass safely in place. By tapping lightly on the suction cup, the second pane slides towards the first, bringing it into position. A dual suction cup tool is used to pull the two panes together. Once the final pane of glass is installed, remove the shims from the top of the first pane, fit the beading and then refit the temporary shims. Proceed in the same way around the full perimeter. Finally, fit the EPDM gasket, removing the shims as required. The clip-in partition is now installed. When installing doors with clip-in partitioning, it is important they are properly fitted to provide a good seal and increase the acoustic performance. Installing clip-in partitioning is fast and easy. The clip-in partitioning system has a number of advantages over traditional partitioning systems. It has excellent aesthetics, thanks to the narrow 3mm vertical joints. The clip-in system also allows high levels of natural light to pass through. It improves the vision area and so enhances the feeling of space, and it offers good acoustic performance of up to 47 decibels. The clip-in system meets European Safety and Acoustic Standards, ETAG 003, the European Standard for Partitions, and EN 12600. The narrow frame sections save space. The clip-in system does not require the use of silicone adhesive, which saves time during assembly and disassembly. The clip-in partitioning system from GLASSOLUTIONS is a simple, efficient and aesthetic system for high-quality interior fit-out.